Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you are doing good today because I'm about to share with you how to make a simple bra pattern. It's beginner friendly, but before we waste any time, let's get started. The measurement we are going to need is our bust round measurement. So we are going to mark a square of around quarter of your bust round measurement, and mine is 9 inches. So once I am done marking that 9 inches, I am going to divide the square into 4 equal parts. The next thing is to mark or label the lines, top, side, center, front, including the bottom. Now on the center front, which is the bottom box, I am going to divide that box into 4 equal parts also. Now on the part where I am showing you, I am going to mark 1 inch, then connect all the points all the way up to the top line. For the bottom cup, I am going to mark half of an inch, then connect the 2 points to create a dot. Then on the side, I am going to mark half of an inch. Then with a free hand, connect all the points. Now this is how your pattern should look so far. Now I am going to go ahead and create the band, which is quarter of my bust round measurement, subtract half of an inch because we'll be using a stretch material for the band. And the width of my band, I made it 1.5 inch. You can make it 1.5 or 2 inches. Now it's time for us to cut out the pattern. Now once we are done cutting out the pattern, don't forget to add your seam allowances of around 0.5 seam. With the band, if you want to go ahead to add an hook and eye, you can subtract 1 inch and on your band, which is going to be later replaced by the hook and eye. So when you cut on fabric, you can fold that piece and then go ahead and cut the rest of the band. So guys, I did cut the bottom cup, which is 4 layers for both the sides for both of the cup, and also for the upper cup I decided to cut it on fold, which is just going to look nice on the neckline. So the first thing that we're going to do is to join the upper cup and the bottom cup together. And for the bottom cup, as you can see, it does have 2 layers, so I'm going to pin them together. Now once we're done pinning, we're going to go ahead and sew 0.5 seam allowance. And once we are done, this is how it looks on the inside, including the outside. So we want to go ahead and do a top straight stitch. This is to flatten the seam. So joining both cups, I am going to place them right sides facing on the center, then mark 3 inches to where I actually want the seam to end. The next thing is to sew a straight line all the way to that 3-inch point. And this is how it looks. So I went ahead and sewed it in a form of a dot. As you can see, it's more like a triangle seam. The next thing that we need to do is to attach the band. So I am going to place the other one right on top and then another one under. Then go ahead and sew a 0.5 seam allowance. Once we're done doing so, I'm going to go ahead and sew a top stitch to flatten the seam. So the next thing is I'm going to attach the elastic on the side. Make sure you pull the elastic as you sew using a zigzag stitch, and I'm also going to attach it around or on the under bust. And we are almost done, guys. The next thing that we need to do is to attach the straps. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and show you once it's complete. And voila guys, I hope you will also enjoy making this project as much as I did. I really love the fit and I hope you will also love the fit. As for me, see you on the next one. Bye.